The goji berries, and put just a few around the plate like this. These are really expensive, and you want to make sure that your customer or your guest sees what you're serving them. Wow, gojis. To be like, wow, look at them gojis. Okay, a couple of eggs on here, a touch more glaze because it's good and it looks cool. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Yeah, now you're cooking. And one more thing, some 25-year-old balsamic reduction. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is about it. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.